What's up everyone? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can view all the participants in Google Meet. Well, if you're confused how to see all the participants in Google Meet, here's how you can do it. Now, just launch your favorite browser and in the address bar, just enter the Meet link, press enter, join here. Now, in order to see all the participants of Google Meet, once you are here in this screen, there is a button called Show Everyone at the bottom right corner. Click on it and now we have all the list of the participants in Google Meet. Currently, we only have two, myself, Tarina Resika, and the meeting host. So these are all the members for now. You can view other members if they are present in the meeting. So once you've viewed all the members, you can close this tab by clicking on this cross icon right here, and you can continue with your meeting, guys. And you can also start chatting by clicking on this chat with everyone and sending the message to everyone. Now you know how to view all the participants of Google Meet. If you still have any problems or confusion regarding how to view all the participants in Google Meet, guys, do leave them in the comment section. We're always here to help. Until next time, bye bye.